Today I'm going to show you guys how to make delicious vegan and gluten-free chocolate chip cookies. Get a bowl, scale. We're going to put in 100 grams of masa, corn masa. Now we're going to add 30 grams of cacao. I use dark chocolate. Next, we're going to do 40 grams of dry peanut butter. I really love this stuff. It goes in everything. Next, we're going to add vegan protein powder. This one's mocha flavored, and it's going to be about 60 grams, roughly 2 scoops. Next, we're going to do 20 grams of monk fruit sugar, pinch of salt, and mix it all together nice. Stirring it before we add the liquid will make it more even. Next, we're going to do 200 grams of oat milk, or any vegan milk. Almond milk works well. Now we're going to add 100 grams of water. The masa really likes to absorb liquid, but we're going to get a kind of doughy consistency after we mix it together. Now what we're going to do is add the chocolate chips. I use a vegan chocolate chip. This soy based. About 20 grams of these, but really it depends on how much you want. And we're going to push them into the dough, folding as we go. Next, we're going to grab ourselves a pan and any kind of non-stick reusable or parchment paper. We're going to divide the dough into 6 equal parts. Have a little water near you and just wet your hands lightly. And now we're going to form the dough into cookie shapes, kind of smashing them with our hands. Pushing them down, making a nice, even, rounded cookie shape. If you've ever made meatballs or hamburgers, this is a very similar method. Just keep adding water as needed, pressing your rounded balls into mud pies. This is the fun part. Once you're done forming your mud pies, then we're going to pop these in an oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius for roughly 20 minutes. These delicious vegan and gluten-free cookies should just give a little bounce in the center, and let them cool and enjoy. The total macros are 1,085 calories for the whole 6 and 70 grams of protein, roughly 180 per cookie and 12 grams of protein. Thanks for checking out Mexi Viking. Check out some other fun recipes and keep on cooking.